Today I'm reviewing my new metal detector. So this is a really fun item that I just got, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It is looks pretty large here, but it actually breaks up into some pretty small pieces, so it's easy to travel with. So if you were taking a vacation to the beach and wanted to bring a metal detector along, it's pretty easy to kind of pack up, throw in a suitcase or a bag, and take it with you. It also comes with this really fun little travel pouch that has like a little hook on the back. So if you could hook this to your bag or wherever you're going, it's a little travel pouch that actually also comes with, you just put it together like this. This screws into the top. This is a compass on the top here. And then it has a little trowel on either side to help you dig. So as you are going around and like searching for different metals in the ground, this makes it really easy to just kind of dig up whatever you might find. So that's a fun little addition to this kit. It comes with a full set of instructions on how to use your metal detector, what your screen does, how to find what different kinds of metals. What's really interesting is that this has different beeps. They go higher pitched or lower pitched based on the kind of metal that you are finding. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you how it's working, but I'll show you up close. This is the screen here, and then this is where you would put your arm. So it's a really nice, comfortable hold that you hold here. And then of course this base is what's actually sweeping for the metal. So I'm going to stand up and show you just how this looks when I'm holding it here on my arm. It does have a Velcro, so you can kind of cross it across here so that it stays on and it's not slipping. I'm gonna go ahead and just get that in nice and tight, put it on here, and then I'm gonna turn it on and just show you. So you can see it has, you can turn the volume up or down. And then it has up here, it's going to show you if you're looking for what you found is iron, a pull tab, 1 cent, 10 cent, 25 cent, or 5 cent piece. And then within your manual, it also shows you what kind of metals those correlate to. So that's pretty handy. It also does have a light. So if you're going to be looking out at night, it can show you, you can definitely go searching at night. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of sweep this around and just show you how it sounds. So there I am over top of some metal on my floor. And it's telling me it's the same as a 25 cent. The signal is nice and hot. So if I was outside, I would know that's a pretty strong signal. And I could go and start digging. So really handy. I think this would be really a fun tool to take out, like I said, if you were going camping, if you were going to the beach, a really fun activity for you or your kids. So definitely something to try out yourself, and I hope you enjoy it. So here I am outside. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I turn it on. And I am going to flip the
base, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start kind of scanning my yard. This started beeping at certain areas in my yard, which I can only assume is where my pipes are. So it's a really handy tool to look for things like that. Or if you just want to have some fun outdoors in your yard, it's a fun activity for your kids. Or if you want to take it on vacation with you, go check out the beach, any of those activities, this is a really great tool for that.